CBS 6 Sky Tracker, sponsored by Baugh Auto Body.
Good Wednesday morning to you. If you're about to head out the door, skies are clear for you in the greater Richmond metro area. Temperatures into the lower 60s with continued comfortable low humidity values. It's nice for this time of late summer. Temperatures elsewhere across the Commonwealth range from the mid 50s to the lower 60s. And once again this morning we're dealing with some patchy areas of fog, especially into the western Piedmont. Louisa, you've got the fog again, orange. Although there are a couple of new players in the game. West Point, you're down to less than a mile visibility. Emporia also reporting some patchy fog down into south central Virginia. We've all had clear skies overnight with light winds that allows the fog to form. Let's talk about how busy our map is across the eastern half of the country and into the Atlantic. Of course, there's Hurricane Cristobal going to pass safely away from the United States. Broad area of high pressure still over us, keeping things pretty quiet. But off to our north and west, there's our cold front that's going to arrive tomorrow. It's pretty puny, not much in the way of cloud cover or precipitation, and I expect that to continue as that system gets closer to us. What's going away from us is Cristobal. It's a Category 1 hurricane, winds up to 80 miles per hour. It's already making its northward track, but then it'll hook off to the north and east away from us as we go into overnight tonight and early tomorrow morning. But the impact for us through the end of the week, it's going to be rip currents and rough waves out along the coastal regions from the Outer Banks all the way up into coastal parts of Virginia. Again, rip currents and rough waves. We're talking about waves 5 feet or more, especially if you're a boat heading out that way. So here's the center of where this storm has been, with gusts around 40 miles per hour at one of the measurement sites nearby. This is taking us in time over the past 24 hours. So you can see wind gusts just offshore, generally around 25 to 35 miles per hour. And look at the wave heights as you get closer to the system, closer to 10 to 15 feet, and already around 5 feet just offshore of the Virginia coastline. So keep that in mind heading to the beach next several days. Follow lifeguard instructions and warning flags. Our planner in Richmond for today will be hotter than the last several days. 90s where we're headed. Precipitation from Cristobal stays away from us. Let's go ahead and focus in on this front that I told you was coming and talk about our precipitation chances, because they're not that great. This is us tomorrow afternoon. Fronts coming through, winds from the north, just a little bit of cloud cover, maybe a few showers and storms favoring southwestern parts of our area and into North Carolina. And then the front essentially loses all of its strength and washes out over North Carolina. Friday afternoon and evening, again, that serves as a focus for showers and storms, what's left of that week boundary. So if you have travel plans for the Labor Day holiday down to our neighboring states to the south or to the mountains of southwestern Virginia, that's where you could see some scattered showers and storms. Our rain chances here Saturday, very slim. Sunday, a little bit better just because it'll be increasingly hot and increasingly more humid, and that can serve as fuel for scattered showers and storms. Robin, Reba.
Still a little summer left.